What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am so glad that you are here. So for today's video, I am doing my hair after a month of having it in wig braids. Y'all, I know I shouldn't wait that long to be doing my hair, but a lot has been going on, and sometimes your hair is just not the top priority, especially when it's braided under a wig. Like, look at this. Look at all that new growth. Oh, I'm embarrassed. Like, you can't even see my scalp, but it's okay. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I maintain my hair underneath a wig. So I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine and pretty much how I do my protective style. So as you can see now, I'm putting a little bit of tea tree oil in my hand. I have learned that tea tree oil is really good for my hair. Like, my hair really loves tea tree oil, especially on the ends and on my scalp. So my hair gets really dry. I have really dry hair. So from the moment I am taking my hair down and trying to revive my hair back to life, I try to make sure to get that moisture back into it, because like I said, my hair gets extremely dry. And I guess to lessen the breakage, I feel like oil really helps, because when your hair is dry and brittle, you're gonna have double the amount of breakage. So that's just something that I've picked up along the way, just to make sure that I am moisturizing my hair every chance that I get. Because regardless, if you keep your hair up for a month and a half, 2 months, you're gonna have breakage regardless. But I guess just to lessen that breakage, I think that this is really good, for my hair at least. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going to be showing you guys pretty much how I keep my hair in a protective style when I am in the mood to wear a wig / extensions. So if you are interested in that, make sure that you stay until the end of the video. Give me any comments, tips, how you keep your hair protected when it's in a protective style. And yeah, I'm not going to ramble it much longer. Let's just get into the video. So as you can see, I've already started to detangle my hair. Now, for all my black girls that are watching, please let me know, do you guys detangle your hair while it's dry or when it's wet? Because I've heard both. Like, I've heard girls tell me that you should detangle your hair while it's wet, and then I've heard girls say that no, you're not supposed to detangle your hair while it's wet because that causes more breakage. So I don't really know. All I know is that I usually detangle my hair right after I take my hair down. All right, so this is actually a couple of days after I took my hair down. I really wanted to give my hair a rest. I'm actually really tender-headed, so I don't like to wash my hair right after I take my hair down, because my scalp tends to get really irritated. So I just let my hair breathe for a little bit. These are the products that I use. I actually have a in detail wash day video, so I will put that in the description box down below, or I'll tag it in the cards or whatever. You'll see it. You'll be able to watch it if you haven't seen it already. So all of those products will be in detail. Now you guys will see me just wash my hair and shampoo it as good as I possibly can, because y'all, my hair was very dirty. Like I said, I had gone so long without washing it. And plus, you know, I work out. I try to work out about 3 times a week, and all my black girls know that maintaining your hair while you're working out is not an easy job. So yeah, I definitely broke my neck trying to wash my hair in this sink. I usually wash it in the bathtub, but today I just wanted to wash it in the sink. So yeah, that is the first step, to drench your hair in water and start the shampoo process. Alright, so for this next part, you guys are going to watch me part my hair into 4 parts. I do 4 2-strand twists, and this is how I start the conditioning process. So mostly all of the products that I use is Shea Moisture. Like I was telling you guys earlier, I have extremely dry hair, so that is pretty much the best product that I use to get that moisture back into my hair. So I usually, depending on how long my hair has been in a protective style, I usually make sure that I let the conditioner set for about like maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. So like if I have errands or like chores to do around the house, I usually just let that conditioner set. So you guys, I realized halfway through the process I used the wrong product. I used the leave-in conditioner instead of this conditioner right here. It's not a big deal, but like I said, they serve two different purposes. So what I did is I went back and I put the conditioner over the leave-in conditioner. It's okay, it's just extra moisturizer for my hair, but I just made sure that for the remainder of my hair I put the regular conditioner. I don't use the leave-in conditioner until the end. So yeah, everything is all good. It's just extra moisturizer for my hair. So I take a t-shirt, because they say using a t-shirt versus a towel for your hair is actually better. And then after I wrap my hair in the t-shirt, I wrap the towel over the t-shirt just to lock in that moisture. So I let my hair set for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then I will come back and wash it out once it is done marinating. Okay. All right, so once I make sure that my hair is squeaky clean, I come back and I use the leave-in conditioner that I was telling you guys about, and then I also make sure that my hair is fully detangled. And then I come back and I will use a heat protectant, because in this process of me doing my protective style for my wigs, I blow dry my hair and then I comb roll it. So I take a little bit of the heat protectant and I make sure that is well throughout my hair so I won't have any heat damage. And I take my blow dryer. I usually use the highest setting. I know that's actually not the best, but like I said, that heat protectant usually does the job. I usually never have any heat damage from the blow dryer. So the way that I blow dry my hair, I use the tension method, which is pretty much me stretching out my hair so that my hair can be in a elongated state, so it can be easier to braid and easier to comb out when I move to the next step of doing my hair. All right, you guys, so for this next step, I am just trimming my hair, trimming the ends. Now I am nowhere near a professional, but when I'm not seeing my hairstylist, I try to make sure that I trim my ends, because my hair is recovering from heat damage and it's pretty much all out. But sometimes I feel like the front of my hair is heat trained, which is weird because the front of my hair doesn't match the back of my hair sometimes. So I feel like the best way to get rid of that heat training, I pretty much just trim my hair so that my hair can be, on one accord in terms of when I trim it. So yeah, that helps. That I've noticed that has helped my growth a lot. Like I said, I don't trim off too much because I am not a professional, but I try to make sure to do that because I've learned that is very important. I feel like the key to healthy hair is healthy ends, so you got to make sure that you trim it. I don't know the recommendation of how much you should trim your hair. You just have to learn how fast your hair grows, and you'll figure it out, once you learn about your hair. So I usually trim mine maybe like every 1 to 2 months, not super often. And like I said, when I do trim it, I don't trim that much. So yeah. So for this last step, I am going to cornrow my hair. I usually do 6 braids. Y'all, I am not the best at cornrolling. I was not gifted with that talent. I am not a black girl that knows how to braid their hair, but I am learning because, you know, it's just, I feel like it's just important to learn how to do at least the basics. So this is me learning. There are a couple of videos that can show you how to cornrow your hair, but I don't even know how I learned. I just braid to the scalp. So I do about 6, and then I pretty much braid, like when I do the next braid, I'm gonna braid the last braid into the current braid. Like it's so hard to explain how to braid, but you'll see the process. That's why I'm recording it now. So halfway through this next cornrow, I'm gonna take the tail of the last cornrow and braid it into the current cornrow. See, like how I did that? Yeah, that's the best way that I can describe it. But I learned this technique from my hairstylist. I feel like it's the neatest way that I can do it. Like I said, the braids don't end up being super neat, but I mean, once again, as long as my hair is healthy, I don't really care about neatness. So this is pretty much the final product. I did tell you guys about this oil in my knotless braid video, and I actually do think that this oil helps with the growth. So as you can see, you know, it might look a mess, but it's very it helps me keep my hair in a healthy state while I'm wearing my wig. So that is how I care for my hair underneath my wig. So next I will show you guys how I style my actual wig. Alright, so next I just use a wax stick and I use a hot comb just to flatten the top, and then I use my straightener and I just straighten my hair out just to make sure that I get like all of the bumps, and just to make sure that my hair is nice and flat. My wigs are already washed when I store them away, so I can get rid of that extra step when I get ready to wear them again. So yeah, this is just me straightening the wig. I actually like it better when it's curled. I'll insert a video of when the hair is curled. But yeah, I really do love this hair. I've been wearing this hair since high school, so it's very dependable, and when I need something quick, it's a great hairstyle. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because I want to start doing more hair videos in the future. So turn on that bell notification, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.